So what we got here. So this is day one of looking out for a snowstorm on the way, apparently, to parts of northern Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, even parts of northern Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia. So if we go forward here, we can see some rain forming right there. Right there. There's also some snow in the Great Lakes, some snow up here, like the Clippers. These are gonna form. There's gonna be some rain in Houston, New Orleans, Jackson, Mississippi. I have to deal with some heavy rain on January 23rd on Friday. We might have to deal with some heavy rain. There might be some isolated ice storms in Texarkana. And then in the morning, in the very early hours of January 24th, Saturday morning, this is when we might start to see some accumulation of ice and snow. And this is a little bit dangerous because this might make roads a little bit more unsafe to drive on. Since this heavy rain that's already been here before, is gonna freeze up with this accumulating as well. And this is good. This is gonna go on until the early morning hours of Sunday, where it's still gonna be there. And we might have some isolated showers down in Austin. Well, this goes away. See, dang! Look at that storm. Like that's big. That's actually really big. Like outside of Texas. Like there might be some isolated stuff even in maybe in Florida. Maybe that's. And then as we go forward, there might be some isolated rain showers January 28th. And there might be. This looks like a clipper, but this looks like another ice storm, if it's possible. And the parts of Florida might have to deal with severe weather, while the northern parts like Kentucky, West Virginia have to deal with heavy snow, and stuff like that. Might be clear for the rest of the time. Let me go one time back. On February 3rd, 2nd, and 3rd, we might have to deal with some snow clippers and isolated rain. But that's two clippers and a snowstorm right there. See, that's huge. That's like going across from like here to all the way over here. Oh, that's actually pretty big. I'm going to regions. If we take a closer look at this, not really getting into specifics, but this is what might happen. This is still like 4 or 5 days away. So like around here, there might be some like rain down in Austin and Houston. Look at that possible. Look, that looks like ice right there. In places like Corpus Christi, Houston, Nacogdoches is getting the sleet. Waco is getting some snow, and the whole DFW is getting some heavy accumulating. Look at that. And we're gonna get some rain after, when it warms up a little bit. And yeah, whatever this is, this is like how many days out? That's like 2.5 weeks out. Like really, that's and you never know if it's gonna be if it's gonna become bigger or smaller. And what is this? What is this? Let me zoom out. Is that a hurricane? I don't know. Is that a hurricane trying to form? Like right here, I'm looking right here. It kind of looks like it. It is 100% not the tropics season right now. I guess that's about it. Since like we all know that like look at that and look how much accumulating snow here in the Great Lakes. Ooh, oh this looks like it could be like about 6 inches of snow already from the northeast. From northeast, that's a nor'easter. Dang, that's a nor'easter, all right. But that's all the way in like February, so we don't know. Yeah, that's about it.